They were once arch rivals and now Samajwadi Party and the Bahujan Samaj Party have officially announced their alliance ahead of 2019 Lok Sabha elections without the Congress Party. Keeping their two-decade-old rivalry at bay, BSP chief Mayawati is claiming that the alliance with Akhilesh Yadav Samajwadi Party will give the Guru Chela duo of PM Modi and Amit Shah sleepless nights in the upcoming elections.
आज बहुजन समाज पार्टी और समाजवादी पार्टी के दोनों नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट की मुखिया की ये संयुक्त व खासकर प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तथा बीजेपी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री अमित शाह की अर्थात इन दोनों गुरु व चेले की नींद उड़ाने वाली अति महत्वपूर्ण एवं ऐतिहासिक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है।
It's official. Bua and Bhatija Jodi will fight 2019 polls against Modi and Shah sans Rahul Gandhi's Congress. Saturday's announcement buries almost two-decade-old grudges. Both Akhilesh and Maya dismissed the charges of political opportunism.
बहुजन समाज पार्टी और समाजवादी पार्टी का केवल चुनावी गठबंधन नहीं है, बल्कि भाजपा द्वारा किए जा रहे अन्याय और अत्याचार का अंत भी है। अब बहुजन समाज पार्टी, समाजवादी पार्टी और दोनों पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता मिलकर के भाजपा के अत्याचारों का डटकर मुकाबला करेंगे।
The SP-BSP settled on an equal pact, claiming 38 seats each, 2 for its allies, while there was no place for Rahul in this newly formed Parivar. Akhilesh and Mayawati have decided to not fight from Congress bastions of Amethi and Rai Bareli. But why did UP ka ladka Akhilesh dump Rahul? He let his bua Mayawati explain.
गठबंधन को लेकर कांग्रेस पार्टी के बारे में यह बात भी सर्वविदित है कि बीएसपी व सपा को कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ चुनावी गठबंधन करने से कोई खास लाभ मिलने वाला नहीं है। काफ़ी लंबी अवधि तक केंद्र व उत्तर प्रदेश सहित देश के अधिकांश राज्यों में भी ज़्यादातर यहाँ कांग्रेस पार्टी ने ही एक सत्र राज किया है और इनके शासनकाल में देश में गरीबी, बेरोजगारी व भ्रष्टाचार आदि भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा बढ़ा है।
Snubbed by Bua Bhatija, a jolted Congress put up a brave face as it prepares to go solo.
Maybe there will be some rethink as the elections approach. Congress party cannot be underestimated in UP. And if necessary, the Congress party will of course contest the elections on its own strength.
But Prime Minister Modi launched an unsparing attack on the Mahagathbandhan at BJP's meet in the national capital.
ये सारे मिलकर अब देश में एक मजबूर सरकार बनाने में जुट गए हैं। वो नहीं चाहते कि देश में मजबूत सरकार बने और उनकी दुकान फिर बंद हो जाए।
Finance Minister Arun Jaitley also slammed the Grand Alliance, saying it could never work since many in the Gathbandhan harbor prime ministerial ambitions.
कांग्रेस का शहजादा हो, बंगाल की दीदी हो, आंध्र प्रदेश के बाबू हो, उत्तर प्रदेश की बहन जी हो, सब दिल में इच्छा रखते हैं और सबकी तलवारें चुनाव के बाद निकलेंगी। लेकिन आज उनमें से एक में भी हिम्मत नहीं है कि नेतृत्व के विषय को लेकर हमारे नेता के सामने खड़े हो पाए।
In their mega press conference, Akhilesh dropped a big hint that he would be willing to support Maya as prime ministerial candidate to take on the Modi juggernaut.
मैंने पहले भी कहा और आज फिर कहता हूं कि उत्तर प्रदेश ने हमेशा प्रधानमंत्री दिया है और हमें खुशी होगी कि उत्तर प्रदेश से फिर एक प्रधानमंत्री बने।
The SP and BSP alliance dumping the Congress party has been formed with a clear intent to obstruct the BJP in coming to power. Back again in center, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called this alliance a deliberate attempt to form a Majboor Sarkar. However, it is very clear that this time the contest in UP between PM Modi and Bua Bhatija is going to be extremely tight. In Lucknow with camera person Sanjay Singh, Nilanshu Shukla, for India today.
In fact, before I begin this debate, just listen in to what other political reactions have come on SP-BSP alliance.
तो हम लोग बेहद खुश हैं। जो लालू जी का जो प्रयास रहा, जिस हिसाब से बिहार में महागठबंधन बनाने का काम किया था, बीजेपी को मुक्की खानी पड़ी थी, तो जो कल्पना लालू जी का था वो आज साकार हुआ है। और मेरा स्पष्ट रूप से मानना ये है कि बीजेपी की हार की शुरुआत यूपी और बिहार से हो चुकी है। ये जो गठबंधन है, आप देखिएगा कि अंबेडकर जी, लोहिया जी, कर्पूरी ठाकुर जी और नेहरू जी का पूरी तरीके से जो विचार का गठबंधन होने जा रहा है।
गठबंधन जो है उसका घोषणा हुआ जी, उसका स्वागत करते हैं हम दोनों ने वहीं पर भी कहा कि यही होगा हर प्रदेश में। जिस तरीके की हालत देश के अंदर बिगाड़ के रखा है ये भाजपा की सरकार और मोदी साहब को, और जो अभी हाल में जो हुआ सीबीआई के साथ, ये स्पष्ट है बहुत कुछ उनको छुपाना है। तो ये सब चलते हुए सब पार्टियां जो भाजपा विरोधी है इस देश को आज बचाना चाहते हैं ताकि आगे कोई बेहतर भारत बने, वो सब अब एकजुट होने की कोशिश में है।
1993 के बाद आज 2019 में फर्क ये है कि बहन मायावती जी ने बहुजन समाज पार्टी का नाम बदल दिया। आज बहुजन समाज पार्टी का नाम बहन जी ने आज से बेशरम समाजवादी पार्टी कर दिया। जिस पार्टी का, समाजवादी पार्टी का नेताओं का और पार्टी का इतिहास दलितों पे उत्पीड़न, जुल्म, शोषण, क्या नहीं किया दलितों के साथ, बलात्कार से लेके हत्या से लेके उनके घर जलाने से लेके उनकी जमीन कब्जा करने से लेके समाजवादी पार्टी के शासन में क्या क्या नहीं हुआ, इतिहास गवाह है इसका। सत्ता की चाह और खुद को बचाने की चाह में आदमी किधर जाता है, ये आज प्रकट हो रहा है।
देखिए, ये गठबंधन एक बड़ी चुनौती है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को 2019 में पुनः प्रधानमंत्री बनाने के लिए हम लोग मिल बैठ करके रणनीति बनाएंगे और हम इस चुनौती से पार पालेंगे।
Never say never in politics, and this time once arch rivals SP-BSP coming together, leaving the Congress out for the pre-poll alliance that's been announced. Let me introduce my guests now. In fact, we have views coming in from all sides. Professor Ratan Lal, a professor at the Delhi University, also a Dalit rights activist. Representing the Samajwadi Party is Juhi Singh, spokesperson. From the BJP, and will it have sleepless nights, Syed Zafar Islam and Javed Ansari, a senior journalist for an objective view. Always a pleasure to have you, sir. Let's begin the discussion, and before that I just want to make it clear that the Congress party has restrained today from sending a spokesperson. Tomorrow they are expecting a press briefing with their strategy. My first question is to Juhi Singh of the Samajwadi Party. Why keep the Congress out? What is the strategy? Why is the SP-BSP so confident that without the Congress it will do better?
We've been working with the BSP in the by-elections. We won a number of seats, and we found while we were working together that our workers could really find common grounds, raise the issues which is common to our party. And today the two leaders, the national presidents of the BSP and the SP, they sat together, came out with the alliance. It was announced there. So I think in UP, this is the alliance which is going to work, and there is a certain similarity of thinking of the new leadership which is in the Samajwadi Party and the BSP Supremo, and our national president has also said that she is somebody who is as important to the Samajwadi Party as our own national
38 seats
and,
each.
Anybody else?
Okay. But not contesting in Rai Bareli and Amethi, which are Congress bastions. That's also interesting. Why not there?
See, Samajwadi Party out of courtesy has not contested in Rai Bareli and Amethi even the last time, and today I think the BSP Supremo was very clear about the reasons why we were giving up Rai Bareli and Amethi, and also the fact that frankly the other people who are making comments on this alliance, we don't even want to dignify those comments with any sort of observation, because why be so scared of an alliance if you find it, you're calling it names, you're calling the leaders names. So this alliance is there to stay, and it is going to make a new prime minister in the center, and the BJP is going to lose its deposits this time in UP.
Well, that's interesting. The goal is to ensure BJP is defeated but also keep the Congress out for now. Professor Ratan Lal, my question to you is, do you think this is the chance for Mayawati to possibly become the prime minister or a prime minister candidate from opposition, and that is why keep the Congress out, because then Rahul Gandhi could become the leader, he could become the prime minister. Mayawati wants to be the big boss, not taking chances.
Obviously, yes, this time, so Behenji has a fair chance. And the alliance is not only alliance of the Dal, but if you look at the content of the press conference, so it सिर्फ दल का alliance नहीं है, दिलों का भी alliance है. And this is the beginning of the end of the
कांग्रेस का तो दिल तोड़ दिया सर. कांग्रेस के दिल का क्या हुआ?
कोई बात नहीं. You cannot expect a big brother every time, everywhere.
Okay.
So you are big brother in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, but this is UP and this is Lok Sabha election. See, if
no, but I want to ask you, why do you think Mayawati could have a fair chance at becoming the PM?
Because Uttar Pradesh is a bigger state and they have 80 Lok Sabha constituencies, and if they are contesting on 76 seats, and we are expecting that 2014 is going to repeat, but in a different manner.
Okay.
It is obviously different manner, and BJP going to lose almost all seats at this time. So Behenji has a fair chance, and obviously Akhilesh has supported her.
But,
so she has
I'll just take a minute there. I don't know where is that confidence coming in from Samajwadi Party and the BSP. Juhi, this is for you as well, because in 2014, BSP could not win a single seat. Samajwadi Party won only 5, most of it going to the family members only. BJP swept the state. So why really would the Samajwadi Party and BSP think they have a chance? Quickly, then I'll go to other parties.
Because the first thing is that the BJP lied. The BJP did not fulfill any promises to UP, and the Prime Minister came to UP, became adopted here. The Home Minister comes from here. These are two tall leaders of UP. So we've been taking up these issues with the public, and we've won 4 by-elections. Yogi Adityanath has lost his seat, Maurya has lost his seat, Kairana they've lost, and we worked out a strategy and the issues which are important for us. The
so
farmers,
by-election is a confidence. Zafar Islam, listen to what Samajwadi Party is saying. Has the BJP underestimated these parties, even though restricted to a state? Because as they say, the Modi and Amit Shah duo may just have a sleepless night. Are you going to have sleepless nights, sir?
I think Behan Juhi made me laugh. All along I was laughing when I heard what she said. It took 20 years for them to realize. It took 20 years for them to realize that they are common. They are common. Both and they identified that they are partners in crime. All the crimes which have been committed by both the parties, all the people who have committed crimes were actually part of either this party or that party. That's why they have decided to come together. They were having sleepless night, and they are still having sleepless night, because even if you add the number, the votes, the percentage they got last time is still lower than what we had got. BJP had got in 2014. And also, I have first time probably in the history of any country away from India, where a party has got 0 seat, a big laddu, is aiming to become Prime Minister.
I hope you keep on finding it amusing. When you lose
this
also,
kind
you should find it amusing.
lust for power, this kind of lust for power is something which can
lust for power, do we say?
So much about an alliance
and give them a very befitting reply. This is just nothing but a lust for power. They cannot stand alone on their own. They don't have leg to stand. They cannot fight with Bharatiya Janata Party. That's why they are coming together. They are having sleepless nights, not us. We are absolutely confident.
Whatever
we are
the
a confident
reason, sir,
party.
you are
We know
going
what
to
we have
lose.
delivered. We know with the people's.
Yes.
We enjoy the confidence of the people of India. Also, the Honorable Prime Minister is more admired Prime Minister. He has won the admiration of people of this country. You people who are only having lust for power, coming together.
Juhi Singh, is this a greed for power? Is this a greed for power?
All along, for 20 years. Today they have identified that yes, we are common.
Why is he so ballistic about our alliance? It's all right. He should comment on it, and he should find it amusing, because soon you are not going to have 1 seat, sir. All the criminal candidates, your chief minister is a criminal. Yogi Adityanath has a charge.
Okay, let's not make personal comments. Let's not make personal comments, Juhi Singh. I want to get across to Javed Ansari now. Congress has been kept out for now as a pre-poll alliance. Do you think that will have an impact? Do you think this alliance of SP-BSP will last and will last well, will be able to gather votes?
I have no doubt in my mind that the SP-BSP alliance will certainly be intact for the Lok Sabha elections. It would have been better if this had been a more overarching alliance, which had Ajit Singh, the Congress, and Om Prakash Rajbhar. But even as it is, this is a very formidable alliance, and this will make the BJP's task of winning back the 73 seats that they won in 2014 very, very difficult. I can also understand why Mr. Zafar Islam is a bit ballistic today. Just going by the reactions of his top leadership. Today was their national convention. They devoted all their focus on this alliance. This is a very formidable alliance, and on the ground I think there won't be too much of problems, because mentally the workers have been attuned to this idea. For a year they've been working at it, so this is going to work. Had the Congress, the Ajit Singh and Om Prakash Rajbhar also been on board, it would have been curtains for the BJP. But even in its present form, this is a very, very formidable alliance, and the BJP will now
But if the goal is clear, and the goal is to beat the Bharatiya Janata Party, that is what I'm trying to understand. Why keep the Congress out? Is it because of the seat sharing arrangement that they wanted to have best in Uttar Pradesh?
Yeah.
Yes, there are two reasons. One, the BSP and the SP believe that the Congress cannot transfer its votes. The other, they wanted, at least the BSP wanted to be accommodated in Madhya Pradesh, in Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. The Congress didn't accommodate them because the demand, the number of seats that the BSP was demanding was far in excess of its influence in those areas. And there are no free lunches in politics. Since Congress didn't accommodate them in these three states, the BSP has decided not to accommodate them in Uttar Pradesh. And also, Mayawati, in her mind, Mayawati sees herself as a potential prime ministerial candidate. So why give the Congress party space and allow them to add to the number of seats?
Yes, that's precisely what I wanted to know from Professor Ratan Lal as well. But Juhi Singh, my question to you is taking over from what Javed Ansari is saying. What happens to Ajit Singh's party? What happens to other leaders as well? Om Prakash Rajbhar was also waiting, because what my colleague Nilanshu Shukla was also telling us, that Ajit Singh may have a meeting tomorrow and discuss the outcome. He doesn't seem happy that his party wasn't given as much consideration. What happens to them?
I think Jayant Chaudhary met the national president also, and some seats are left. So we are into conversation with the RLD. But the Om Prakash Rajbhar is now with the BJP, and frankly, he's giving them 100 days. So he has chosen to stay with that party, irrespective of trying to sound the fact that he's criticizing Yogi Adityanath's policy. But he voted for them for Rajya Sabha and even for the MLCs. So it's for him to decide. And second, for the Congress, it's for the Congress now to explain. If we are not into an alliance with them, there might be some questions which they would be willing to answer. We are working with the BSP and working strongly. And if the BJP finds it amusing, then it's really up to them, because they are not going to get any seats, including the adopted son of UP, who's done nothing for UP.
Zafar Islam, you're smiling today. You're clearly in a happy mood. But my question is, BJP spent all its time attacking the Congress party. Look, there is SP, BSP making even a better strategy at play. Go ahead, sir.
No, last time, see, I will remind Behan Juhi that they got 5 seats and Mayawati got 0. These two parties put together, even if you see, their 4% is lower by at least 3-4% than what we had. This time, when they actually trying to cheat the people's aspiration in Uttar Pradesh, because these two parties are independently have always fought election, but when they will join hands together, trust me, who will be the first one to determine to defeat them is the people of Uttar Pradesh. They will defeat them. They will give them a befitting reply, because we know this kind of opportunistic Gathbandhan only for the lust of power and somebody who has got 0 seat.
Opportunistic Gathbandhan, Juhi Singh.
Your alliances are not lust for power.
Chief Minister will
Sir, you are 38 parties.
These two people
leaving
are eyeing with Chief
also.
Minister and Prime Minister.
Every day you are losing an alliance partner and you are talking about lust for power. You lie for lust for power. You mislead for lust for power. You paint leaders in a bad light, lust for power.
They do not want to work for the welfare of the people.
Lie about
when
what
they had the
percentage you
opportunity, they
also.
worked out for their own
Lust
welfare.
for power.
They never served the people of Uttar
Okay,
Pradesh.
please look
When
at
there is a
yourself.
government who is
The
focused
mirror.
on
Professor
giving good
Ratan Lal,
governance,
Professor
then
Ratan
why
Lal,
they choose
yes,
and
I have a
do
question
hooligan
here.
party?
You know,
Who are
it's
coming
very
together.
interesting.
Hooligan party will
Mayawati
not be
may have,
chosen
yes,
by these
Zafar, I'll
the
come back
people
to you.
of this,
Mayawati may have a chance,
this
but my
state.
question is, this is a pre-election alliance. Gather the Dalit vote or other oppressed classes, get them together, win their votes, including the Muslims as well, ensure that vote is not divided. Then Congress also likely wins in Lok Sabha, good number of seats. Then have a post-poll alliance. Is that also an option?
Obviously, yes, and Zafar Sahab हसीन सपने देख रहे हैं.
क्यों?
The basic point here is, if Jai Bhim and Jai Lohia are together, then where is the space for Jai Shri
आप लोग
Ram?
देख रहे हैं 0 सीट
हाँ,
प्राइम
नहीं,
मिनिस्टर
देख रहे हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ ना.
चीफ मिनिस्टर
आप इतना घबराए
ये सब
हुए
तो
हैं,
आप लोग सबका
desperate
देख रहे
हैं.
हैं.
We have seen
देख
the
रहे हैं, आप
outcome,
बताइए
the
ना,
result of
0 सीट से
मजबूत
प्राइम
सरकार
मिनिस्टर, 5 सीट
for
से
the
चीफ
last 4
मिनिस्टर.
years at center level and for the
अरे मजबूर सरकार
in
इसको
Uttar
बोलते हैं
Pradesh we have
मजबूर
also seen
सरकार.
the
But
function of
Professor
very
Ratan
government.
Lal, past
will
few
not
years,
lie.
what
And
does
the
it show
trust
about
me.
the BJP BSP? BJP had a landslide in UP, not
They
as much
want a good
BSP.
government, strong
The
government.
votes were
who
divided
can give
between
good governance.
BSP and SP.
मजबूत सरकार,
And,
not
see,
मजबूर सरकार. You are coming together because of
ऐसा
your
है, we have
मजबूरी.
seen
On
we
your
have
own, you
seen the
cannot
result
fight
of
BJP, you
Majboot
cannot
Sarkar,
fight
the
BJP.
violence
That's
against
your
Muslims.
Let him speak. Let him, yes,
The
Professor.
violence against
मजबूर
Dalits,
लोग
heavy
हैं.
privatization, corruption, everything we have seen.
What has Mayawati
See,
done for the Dalits? Tell me, Professor Ratan Lal.
See,
Tell
she
me
has done a
what-
lot of things.
what?
She has done a lot of
Like
things.
what?
अब इस पे सेमिनार कर
Nothing.
सकता हूँ.
She has only made her own statue,
he is saying,
nothing else. She
Jafar
has
Saab
only
is
made her own
saying
statue.
that
She
SP
has
BSP
only
alliance
worked
is
for
the
their
alliance of
own- her own
power.
welfare.
And
She
what
has
about
even taken
NDA
money
alliance,
for
PDP alliance
for
and BJP
giving
alliance?
tickets.
वो
She has
भजन
sold-
के लिए था क्या
she has
alliance?
sold
जो
even tickets.
46 पार्टी के साथ आप सरकार चला रहे हैं. This is for bhajan.
Zafar,
It is
Zafar,
not
final
for power.
closing comment to you
Power
and
for
other
what?
panelists as
Arey
well.
bhaiya,
If the BJP can try with the Kurmis and the Rajbars and the PDP and other parties, why can't SP BSP do it? Yes, yes, that's a good question. That's a good question. Professor Ratan Lal, yes, I want Zafar to answer. Yes.
आपके नहीं आप भजन कीजिए ना. आपकी मजबूरी है.
आपके लोग भाग रहे हैं.
आपकी मजबूरी. You cannot fight with Bharatiya Janata
But Zafar,
Party.
if
Either of the parties.
BJP can
On their
experiment
own
with
cannot
other
fight
parties,
Bharatiya
why
Janata
can't
Party.
SP BSP?
That's why you are coming together. See, they have independently always fought. They were bitterly they have fought with each other. They abused each other. How everybody remembers how she has been treated by Mulayam Singh and his hooligans. And everything she has today ignored. She has forgotten everything.
I want to get one closing comment from Javed Ansari. Zafar, that doesn't answer my question. No. Javed Ansari, do you think there is a possibility doors open for a post-poll alliance? If the Congress wins, we'll get together, it'll all be sorted. Quickly,
certainly, I will not be surprised if post-poll, depending on the numbers, all these political parties who are opposed to the BJP, if they have a chance, they will come together. I will certainly not be surprised.
Okay, in politics, never say never. I think that's a good and important point. I can wrap up. Over Professor Ratan Lal, Juhi Singh, Javed Ansari and Syed Zafar Islam. Thank you so much for putting your view. Interesting days ahead for 2019 Lok Sabha elections. Thank you so much for watching. Do tell us, what did you think of this discussion? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.